One, two, three.
I know that I'm well away from being a perfect guy. I can't have a bad temper, make a big fuss and cry. And I know that lately it's been hard, we had a bumpy ride. But if you give me one more chance, I make it effortless. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. Love has given us wings, and we're supposed to go high. But life got in the way, and we forgot to fly. And now I think that we're ready to finally leave the nest. We'll take a little leap of faith, and I will do the rest. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love. So if you want to come back home, I will be cooking Sunday breakfast all week long. We're gonna go and skate on frozen lakes, spend the morning baking cakes with the glowing of our love.
When you were here before, can look in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so very special. But I'm a creep, and I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I wanna have control. I want a perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so very special. I wish I was special. But I'm a creep. I'm a widow. makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so very special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
We were playing 21 in the pitch black of a country night. I was struck like a drum, and I rolled my eyes trying to sit tight. I was dangerously tangled second time I met you, and now I'm so impatient to adore you. I crashed my car last night. We were drinking warm wine from paper cups that we left outside. God, I wished you were mine, as your skin lit up in the sunrise. I was dangerously tangled second time I met you. Now I'm so impatient to adore you. I crashed my car last night. So dangerously tangled second time I met you. Now I'm so impatient to adore you. I crashed my car last night. Soon as she's leaving, I'm begging and pleading. you could be. Came out of nowhere and just knocked me off my feet. It's true that I'd rather be alone with you. Baby, I'd rather be alone with you. Baby, I'd rather be alone with you.
I thought it would be like poetry, that feeling of when eyes meet. They said it would feel so easy, like how a bird takes to the trees. They've written the songs and films and books of how it would take just one timely look to dance and fall your way into love. And that's how you'll know he's the one. It feels like way back when. I wish I had known it then. There's no such thing as a soulmate, 'cause love is what you make of it. I think I've got a taste of it. I wish I had known all of this before. I wish I had known, but at least now I know. I thought summer vacation would never end. That feeling of sinking toes in the sand. They said to enjoy it while you can, but those words never seem to land. It feels like way back when. I wish I had known it then. That time is the quickest of thieves. She won't ever be caught by nobody. She'll run all the way to eternity. I wish I had known all of this before. I wish I had known, but at least now I know. It feels like way back when. I wish I had known it then. That soon we'll be gone with the final breath, and there won't be time to hold on to regrets. But I know there's something on the other end. I wish I had known all of this before. I wish I had known, but at least now I know. I wish I had known, but at least now I know. you don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change if I had it my way. You will know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give us up to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Will you go or follow, no matter how far? If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Love me, won't you?
Take away the big shirts, the tattoos, the sweatpants and Vans. Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my hands. My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl. But what if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked? Someone who never asks for love but knows how to take it. Are you that somebody who sees a wall and breaks it? Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws? Can you love me naked? Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 naked. Oh, yeah, yeah. Might be a bitch in the morning, so catch me at nighttime. Some of my friends think I'm moody, but I think I'm just fine. I could be pissed, but I act like I'm not. I really remember when I say I forgot. No matter how hard I try to run away from love at the end of the night, I need somebody who loves me naked. Someone who never asks for love but knows how to take it. Are you that somebody who sees a wall and breaks it? Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws? Can you love me naked? Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 naked. I need someone who loves me when I wake up, who thinks I'm beautiful when I'm looking fucked up. I want that perfect love, am I asking too much? Someone who shoots for the stars, knowing nothing, clown nothing good enough. I need somebody who loves me naked, someone who never asks for love, but knows how to take it. Are you that somebody who sees a wall and breaks it? Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws? Can you love me naked? Yeah, 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 naked. Yeah, 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 naked.
How many hours must you wait? Acting like you a stranger to my ways. You don't need to ask me about my day. Yeah, I know what you came for. It's okay. Let me take you higher. Let me bless you in. We can stop the fire. You just tell me when. You just tell me when. And I'm at lots of words to say. You as bright as the summertime, but you feel like the rain. And all of my time has slipped away. All I'm trying to do, babe, is make your day. Let me take you higher. Then let me bless you in. We can stop the fire. You just tell me when. Baby, you just tell me when. Baby, I swear
If there was a picture perfect, it would be us. I could be across the world and I would still have your trust. Don't even gotta question if I'm the one giving up. But you keep saying you've had enough. So tell me where to go, 'cause I have nowhere to hide. I just want you by my side. But do I still have your heart? Do I still cross your mind? Have we grown apart? Should we even try? I still keep your picture frame on the side of my bed, acting like I'm good, but I can no longer pretend. Keeping myself busy trying to find something to do, but every time I try somehow it brings me back to you. So what do I do? I don't know, no. See, I used to call you probably 10 times a day, but now we on the phone, but we got nothing to say. And every time I hear our song, it don't sound the same. I don't know if I could do another day. So tell me where to go, 'cause I have nowhere to hide. I just want you by my side. But do I still have your heart? Do I still cross your mind? Have we grown apart? Should we even try? I still keep your picture frame on the side of my bed, acting like I'm good, but I can no longer pretend. Keeping myself busy trying to find something to do, but every time I try somehow it brings me back to you. I know things happen for a reason, but I'm tired of this pain I feel, and I don't know if I'm strong enough for these changes. 'Cause baby, I still keep your picture frame on the side of my bed, acting like I'm good, but I can no longer pretend. Keeping myself busy trying to find something to do, but every time I try somehow it brings me back to you. I still keep your picture frame on the side of my bed, acting like I'm good, but I can no longer pretend. Keeping myself busy trying to find something to do, but every time I try somehow it brings me back to you.
I'm alone, but I feel alright in the summertime and the fall. In the spring, when the house is dark, doesn't bother me at all. I know, it's in the light, the shadows start to move. There's a hurt in the winter time, makes it hard for you. There's a dream I have that makes me sad on the road, that the sun
could I forget the girl with the song? Could I? How could I regret laying next to you, getting high again to mute my memories? You know I pretend there's nothing else to do. You really test my patience. You know it's hard for me to choose. I always get complacent, and I've always had turn. I lose, I lose, I lose, I lose. Said I'm moving on, but this don't feel like change. Wrote to you in songs, but all the words sound strange. They can't prove me wrong, but I feel their energy, wanting to belong, but I can't find a way. You really test my patience. You know it's hard for me to choose. I always get complacent, and I've always had turn. I lose. You really test my patience. You know it's hard for me to choose. I always get complacent, and I've always had turn. I lose, I lose, I lose, I lose. Everybody sentenced to death. No one lives forever, take a note. So what you gonna do with your life? I'll be spending all my time on me. Are you satisfied with what you have? If not, please look around. Stop chasing for money and fame, and be content you've had enough. So sorry, mama, another day goes. I've done nothing. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. People moving fast in their world, observing sitting here all alone. It's so easy judging people with your words, but it's hard to move your ass around, my friend. Everybody's got their everything, but look at we are so breakable. Counting days till we're out again, counting minutes till we meet again. So sorry, mama, another day goes. I've done nothing. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. So sorry, mama, another day's gone. I've done nothing. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. Everybody sentenced to death. No one lives forever, take a note. So what you gonna do with your life? I'll be spending all my money on me, all the days and my regret, hoping for a better day. It'll be the same till I do change. I won't change if you don't change. So sorry, mama, another day goes. I've done nothing. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. So sorry, mama, another day's gone. I've done nothing. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. Please don't tell me you're proud of me. I'm floating slow, wrapped in your skin. I got nowhere to go, easy to hold. I've held these feelings so deep in my bones. These fears I keep fighting, you wash them away. Lose track of time, but I won't forget these days. Spend hours lying in vibes and we ride it till the morning. You hit me like a wave, wave, crashing on me when we lay, changing up my ways, ways. So quick to leave, now I stay. Can't see the surface no more. Far from the shore, swimming in your waters for more. You hit like a wave, wave, crashing on me when we lay. Ooh, on the side between we lay. On the lay. Ooh, crashing when we lay. I can feel the sun rising, yeah. It's painting our bodies in orange and gold. And you got me faded, yeah. I'm not used to falling, but you got me all in. Oh, 'cause these fears I keep fighting, you wash them away. Lose track of time, but I won't forget these days. Spend hours lying in five till we ride it till the morning. Oh, you hit me like a wave, wave, crashing on me when we lay, changing on my ways, ways. So quick to leave, now I stay. Can't see the surface no more. Far from the shore, swimming in your waters for more. You hit like a wave, ooh, wave, yeah. Crashing on me when we lay. You hit me like a wave.